Ratio of 3 years of compound interest and simple interest of 1 year on a certain sum of money is 3.64 is to 1. Find rate of interest. Here take the simple interest for 1 year is A. For B, C. So for 3 years, the ratio of 3 compound interest. So 3 years compound interest is 3A plus 3B plus C. So the ratio of 3 years of compound interest and simple interest of 1 year on a certain sum of money is 3.64 is to 1. This value is 3 year compound interest. This one is 1 year simple interest. Here multiplied with into 100, value is not changed. So compound interest is 364, simple interest is 100. So for 1 year the simple interest is 100 rupees. So simple interest is 100. So remaining value is 364 minus 300. So 100 is simple interest for 1 year. For second year 100 and third year 100. So remaining amount is 64 rupees. So 64 rupees is the compound interest. So 64 is interest on 100. Next year interest on 100, interest on this one. So 64 here take is of the form A, B, C. A value is 100. Here B are equal. That means 64. So value of B is 20 and value of C is 4. So here value of B is 20. So value is 6 and then value is 4. So here how to get 20 to 4? That means 1 by 5. So 20 into 1 by 5, so value is 4. So what is the rate of interest? So rate of interest is equal to 20%. So otherwise, so take 100. Here take the rate of interest is 100, R percentage. So R percentage value is R. Here R percentage value is R square by 100. This total value 3R plus R square by 100. This value is equal to 64. Solve this quadratic equation, then we will get the value of R is 20%. This is but it will take a lot of time to calculate the quadratic equations. It is better to go for options. The ratio of difference between CA and SA for 3 years to the difference of CA and SA for 2 years is 19:6. Find the rate of interest. Here I am taking simple interest for 1 year is A, second year is A, and third year is A. And B, 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 C. This is the simple interest for 3 years. This total is compound interest for 3 years. The difference of CA and SI of 3 years is this part. So 3B plus C. This is the difference of CA SI for 3 years. The difference of CA and SI for 2 years. For 2 years, this one. So simple interest is AA, compound interest is AAB. The difference is B. So this is the difference of CA minus SI for 3 years. This is the difference of CA minus SI for 2 years. So these are in the ratio 19:6. Here value of B is 6. So value of B is 6. Value of C is 3 into 6, 18 plus 1. So value of C is 1. Here value of C is 1. Value of B is 6. So how to get 6 to 1? So 1 by 6. So 6 into 1 by 6 value is 1. So 1 by 6 equivalent percentage is 16, 2 by 3 percentage. So if the difference between CA and SA on certain sum of money of 5,000 for 2 years is 72 rupees. Find rate of interest. So I am taking principal is P. So rate of interest is R percentage. So this value is equal to PR by 100 for first year. So for second year, the rate of interest is R percentage. So that value is PR by 100. For second year, calculate rate of interest on first year interest. So R percentage into R by 100, that means PR by 100 whole square. So this is simple interest. This is simple interest. This total is compound interest. So the difference between CA and SA is represent this part. That means P into R by 100 whole square value is equal to difference. Here R by 100 whole square is equal to D by P. Here R is equal to square root of D by P into 100. Here square root of, here difference is 72. Here the principal is 5,000 square root into 100. So 236, 25. Square root of 36 value is 6 by square root of 25, 5. Square root of 100, 10. So into 100. So 52 times 2 into 6. So value is 12%. At what rate percentage the difference of CA and SA on a certain sum of rupees 30,720 in 3 years is 1500. So the difference of CA and SA on certain sum of money is 30,720 in 3 years is 1500. 1000. So your principal is P. So rate of interest is equal to R. So value is PR by 100. So second year rate of interest is PR by 100. Here P R percentage, R by 100. So P R by 100 whole square. For third year PR by 100. So this one P R square by R by 100 whole square. So once again this one P R by 100 whole square. For this one P into R by 100 R by 100 whole cube. So this is the difference. So P R square 100 3 P R square R by 100 whole square plus P R cube R by 100 whole cube. So value is equal to difference. Okay, right, this is the difference and this is the principal. So this is a cubic quadratic equation. So it is very difficult to calculate cubic quadratic equation. So it is better to go for options. So here rate of interest is of the form 1 by A. Time is equal to 3 years. So the difference of CI and SI. CI and SI, the difference is 3A plus 1. The principal is A cube. So first option is 12.5%. So rate of interest is equal to 12.5%. So value is 1 by 8. So here value of A is 8. So here principal is A cube. So that means value is 8 cube. CASI difference is 3A plus 1. So here CASI difference is 24 plus 1. So value is 25. So P by difference here P is principal is equal to 30,720 by 1500. The 0 cancel. 1024 by 512 by 25. So this is equal to principal A cube. So this value is equal to 3A plus 1. So here value of A is 8. So satisfied. So answer is 12.5%. A man want to invest 16,850 in a bank account of his two sons, whose ages are 12 years and 16 years, in such a way so that they will get equal amount at an age of 120 years at the rate of 33 1/3% per annum. Find the share of younger son. Some relation for amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole power t. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power t. So this is the relation for amount and principal. Here rate of interest is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So 33 1 by 3 percentage value is 100 by 3. So 100 by 3 into 100. So 1 plus 100 cancelled. Here this value is 1 plus 1 by 3. So value is equal to 4 by 3 whole power t. So amount is equal to principal into 4 by 3 whole power t. Sons, one is younger, another one is elder. So younger age is 12 years. The elder son age is 16 years. The total amount is invested in 120 years. That means younger son amount is invested in 120 minus 12. That means 108 years. For elder son, amount is invested for 120 minus 16. That means 104 years. They will get equal amount. So amount is the principal. So younger son into r 4 by 3 whole power t8. Here time is 108 years. This is the amount of younger son. So the amount of elder son is elder son into 4 by 3 whole power 104. This is the amount of elder son. So they will get equal amount. So both are equal. So then find what is the share of younger son. So m power 15, some x into m power 15 is equal to y into m power 5. So m power 15 into m power 5. So 5 is cancelled in 3 times. This is not correct. So m power 15 by m power 5. So a power m by a power n. Then we have to write a power m minus n. So similarly, m power 15 minus 5. So value is m power 10. Similarly, 4 by 3 power 108, 4 by 3 104. So younger into 4 by 3 whole power 108 minus 104. 4 value is equal to elder. So younger in 4 power 4, 256 by 3 power 4, 81 is equal to elder. So younger is to elder are in the ratio of 81 is to 256. So 16,850 can be divided is in the ratio of 81 is to 256. The total value is 7, 13, 337 units represents 16,850. 4 times into 5, so into 50. So 1 unit value is 50. So what is the share of younger son? So So younger version is 81 units. 81 into 50. So 81,000 by 2. So 4050 rupees. So how can I solve this question in exam? First we have to convert the rate of interest. So rate of interest is 33 1 by 3 percentage. So 33 1 by 3 percentage is 1 by 3. That means it is increased by 1. So value is rate of interest is 4 by 3. Otherwise we have to calculate 1 plus r by 100. So rate of interest, so r value is 33 1 by 3, then we will get 4 by 3. The amount invested at the age of 12 years of younger age and 16 years of elder son. So both are get the amount. That means the time of younger son is more than the time of elder son. That means the amount of younger son is lesser than the amount of elder son. That means the amount of invested amount of younger son is less than the elder son. So among these, the lower value is 3, the bigger value is 4. Then what is the difference of ages of younger son and elder son? The younger son is invested for 12 years and elder son is invested at 16 years. So the age difference is 4 years. So you have to write the difference of ages of elder son and younger son is n. Then their younger son is 3 power n, elder son is 4 power n. Here the difference is n is equal to 4 years, so 3 power 4 is to 4 power 4. So 81 is to 256. So they are distributed in the ratio of 81 is to 256. So total 337 units represents 16,850. So 1 unit represents 50. So into 50, the value is 4050 rupees. So a man purchased a motorbike for certain price and praised to pay the price in 3 equal annual installment of 10 rupees 10,800 at the rate of 20% per annum. Find the price of motorbike. Here taking the price of motorbike is P, set the rate of 20%. 20% is equal to 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 value is increased, so rate of interest is P into 6 by 5. So after the interest, they are giving an installment of 10,800. So this is the first year. After first year, the amount is P into 6 by 5 minus 10,800. So once again, for second year, the rate of interest is 6 by 5 and pay the installment of 10,800. This is the second year. In third year, once again the rate of interest is 20% and pay 10,800 is equal to 0. That means complete the installment. Then find the value of P. So calculate this equation. So we will get the value of P. So next, a man borrowed a sum of 25,250 from a bank and promised to pay the amount in 3 annual equal installment at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the value of each installment. The principal is 25,220 and pay 5% of rate of interest. 5% is 1 by 20. So it is increased by 1. So 21 by 20. So you have to pay the equal installments. So we don't know. Let's say X. So after 1 year, once again the rate of interest is 5%. That means 21 by 20. After 1 year, after the rate of interest, the equal installment is X. So after equal, once again the rate of interest is 5%, 21 by 20, and pay the equal installment X. The amount is completed is equal to 0. So solve this equation, then we will get the value of X. Subhash purchased a refrigerator at this condition, that he will pay 1620 at the time of buying, and at the end of first year and second year and third year he will pay rupees 2,178, 2,299 and 2,662 if rate of interest is 10%. Find the cash price of refrigerator. So take cash price is P. So at the time of buying he will pay 1620. So that means the remaining amount is P minus 1620. So after this he will at the rate of 10%. So 10% is equal to 1 by 10. That means value is increased by 1. So 11 by 10. In first year, at the end of first year he will pay 2,178 rupees. Next, second year the rate of interest is into 11 by 10. In second year he will pay 2299 rupees. So once in third year the rate of interest is 10. So 11 by 10 minus 2662. So value is equal to 0. So calculate this equation, then we will get the value of P. So how can I solve this type of questions in shortcut? Here the rate of interest is equal to 10%. So time is equal to 2 years. So principal is equal to what? So amount is equal to what? So here 10% is 1 by 10. First year principal is 10. So amount is 11. So in second year the principal is 10. The amount is 11. So after 2 years the principal is 100 and the amount is 121. This is principal, so this is the amount. Here the principal is what? So rate of interest is equal to 10%. Time is equal to 3 years. So amount is equal to what? So 10% is equal to 1 by 10. So first year the principal is 10 and the amount is 11. In second year the principal is 10, the amount is 11. For third year principal is 10, the amount is 11. So value is 1000, this value is 1331. This is the amount for after 3 years, this is the principal. In our problems, here the principal is amount, principal is price. The amount is installment. So here installment is a amount and price is a principal. Subhash purchases refrigerator at this condition. He will pay 1620 at the time of buying, and at the end of first year, second year and third year he will pay 2178, 2299, 2662. The rate of interest is 10%. Find the cash price of refrigerator. Here rate of interest is equal to 10%. So 10% is equal to 1 by 10. So first year the price is 10, increased by 10%, 11. Second year 100. So second year the values are price is principal is 100 and the amount is 121. So after 3 years the principal is 1000 and amount is 1331. So for second year the price is 100 and the installment is 121. For third year the price is 1000 and the installment is 1331. So third year installment is 2662. So 1331 represents 2662. So 1 unit represents into 2. Then we will get 2662. So here the principal is into 2. The value is 2000. The second year installment is 2299. That means so 121 units represents 2299. So 1 unit represents 120919. So 1 unit represents 19. So here 100 units represents into 19. The value is 1900. First year installment is 2178. For 11 units represents 2178. 1 unit represents 198. So 1 unit represents 198. So 10 units represent into 198. So value is 1982. 0. So this is the principal amount. So principal amount is 0.885880. So your principal is P. After he will pay 1620 rupees at the time of buying. So that value is equal to principal 5880. So principal is equal to 5880 plus 1620. 0057. So 7500. A man borrowed a sum of 25,220 from a bank and promised to pay the amount in three annual equal installment at the rate of 5% per annum. Find the value of each installment. So 5% is equal to 1 by 20. So for first year the principal is 20. The amount is 21. So for second year 400. So installment is 441. For third year the amount price is 8,000. Amount is 9261. He pay the amount in 3 annual equal installment. That means the installment is equal. So how to equalize? You can multiply with 21. That means you can multiply this value into 21. So multiply this value into 441. That means you have to multiply this value into 441. So 441 into 20. So 8820. So 21 into 4. So 8400. So principal is 8,000. So this value is the principal. So this total value is the price. Price is 0 to 25. So this is a equal installment. Here the sum is equal to 25,220. Here 25,220 units represents 25,220. So what is the value of 9261 units represent 9261 rupees. So a man purchased a motorbike for a certain price and promised to pay the price in 3 equal annual installment of 10,800 at the rate of 20% per annum. Find the cost price of motorbike. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5. So first year the price is 5. The installment is 6. The second year 25. Installment is 36. For third year, so price is 125. Installment is 216. So you will pay the price in 3 equal annual installments. That means installment is same. So multiply this value into 6, then we will get 216. Multiply this value into 36. So into 36 into 6. So this value is 180. So this value is 150. This value is 125. So here your equal installment is, so 216 units represents 10,800. So multiply into 216 36, 36, 6. So 1 unit represent, 1 unit is 50. So find the cost price of motor. The price is 5, 15, 455 into 1 unit represent 50, 455 units represent into 50. So 45500 by 2. So 22750. So 22,750 rupees.